I made the sanitizer machine in just rupees 900. You can also make your own sanitizer machine by see this video till end. So let's start. For making sanitizer machine, we first need the pump, 12 volt DC pump. Friends, for buy this pump, please see the link in the description and then buy it from the link. Second, the nozzle. This is a nozzle. Friends, nozzle is that takes the liquid part in and out the mist like fog out. So nozzle, one nozzle and 12 volt power supply. I use the 12 volt battery. This battery link is also given in the description. Friends, we also need the two-way switch. The two-way switch, on, off, and some wires. So let's start the making and the wirings of the sanitizer machine. Let's suppose that this is your battery, this one 12 volt battery, and the two-way switch, the pump. Now see the wirings. The negative, positive of the pump is here. We need to give the positive directly to the battery and we need to give the negative of the pump in the two-way switch. And take the small wire to connect the second end of the two-way switch with the battery. Now the thing takes place that when we on this switch, then the our pump is on and it takes the in of sanitizer and out the sanitizer with the help of this nozzle. Friends, to fit in the proper box, I made the cardboard cabinet. You can also use the metal. So let's see the cardboard cabinet. Friends, I made this cardboard cabinet. You can also use the metal sheet or a hard material to make that type of cabinet. This is a lock which I made with a knot. You can also use the safety pin. I put the sanitizer here, battery here and motor here, and the out is here. Out means the going of the pipe with nozzle. So friends, after fitting the material in cabinet, the sanitizer machine just look like it. This sanitizer machine is in just rupees 900. In front I put the on off switch, which means also the two-way switch. Down is on and up is off. Let's see the inner part. Friends, I make the lock with the knot. You can also use the safety pin. Friends, inside the cabinet I put the box in which the sanitizer is placed, the battery and the pump. The pump in is given to the sanitizer box and the pump out is given to the nozzle pipe. So friends, let's see the practical. Friends, in practical you could see that when I on this switch, then the sanitizer is came in the form of spray from this nozzle. So let's see. Friends, let's suppose that this is a chair on which the corona patient was seated. So we need to sanitize this chair. I on the switch. You could see that from nozzle the sanitizer is coming out in the form of spray. Now when we need to stop, we need to only push the switch off. Now our chair is sanitized properly. So friends, in this way you can sanitize so much things in just rupees 900. You can also sanitize your hand by this machine like this. Friends, I need to tell that this type of machine you made at home at just rupees 900. As how I show you that this pump is just 500 rupees. I get the link in the description for you only. 500 rupees of this and 300 of this. So 500 plus 300, 800 and 50 rupees of nozzle, 850 and 20 rupees of two-way switch, 870 and some wirings and cabinet for 30 rupees. So totally in 900 you can make your own sanitizer machine at your home. Friends, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video also.